second annual Lord of the Flyers 4-way. Up next on the docket here at the Dynamite Cup. And what a collection of Flyers we've got this year. We've got Johnathan Wolf, maybe more the striker of the group. We've got Pat Monix, maybe the most pure raw athlete. Chase Oliver, probably the most dynamic. And Calvin Tankman, unquestionably the largest. And Tankman just laid out Johnathan Wolf.
Knocked him out! Well, you saw moments ago, Wolf just get in the face of his opponents, not the best strategy.
No, Johnathan Wolf loves to run his mouth as much as he loves to wrestle, and Calvin Tankman made him eat every single one of those words. And now Chase Oliver.
Not exactly sure that was the best strategy for Chase.
He's now found himself in the ring with Calvin Tankman, who is an absolute monster of a man. Oh!
Now this match right here is going to be one definitely for the gift gods. I already expect it. Last year's definitely was.
What is this? Both Monix and Oliver at the same time with axe handles.
Tag team springboard axe handles.
Yeah, Tankman's still on his feet. He's not even phased.
Both Chase and Pat working together.
Tankman's been sent to the floor. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. Oh, and Oliver just got tripped up by Wolf. Laid him out with a 6th strike. Wolf ducks a clothesline, head scissors. Whips Monix into the mat.
That sneaky Johnathan Wolf.
And Wolf has wrestling in his DNA, the son of Indiana Kid Jr. Longtime Midwest mainstay. Oh, 60 in the air. Calvin Tankman is a monster.
I don't think any of these guys knew what they signed up for, getting into a match with Calvin Tankman. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
The crowd's chanted for Mark Maxwell. He's got to give it to him.
There's no way. Calvin Tankman is winding up, but Monix cuts him off with the savate kick right to the chest. Face first onto the knee and a big forearm from Pat.
Series of strikes now.
Knee from Wolf. Tandem kicks finally drops Calvin Tankman.
Getting him off that vertical base now to the outside. I think Johnathan Wolf and Pat Monix maybe looking to team up here.
Now Monix winding up. Oh, Wolf shoves him out of the way. Oh, suicida.
Huge
the
dive.
Barricades came unglued from it. Pat Monix winds up. Tope suicida of his own. The first row is now the 9th row in the Dynamite Cup.
People spreading.
The mass of Calvin Tankman. Oh my gosh, Chase Oliver throwing toss assault! My goodness!
Chase Oliver getting this crowd behind him.
Like I said earlier, Chase Oliver probably the most dynamic in this contest, but he got caught by Wolf, left himself open for that strike. Package it. Oh, sit-out slam.
Beautiful. Not exactly sure why he didn't go for a cover of something that big.
Intricacies of that move for someone who's born in 1999 is bananas. Oh, he went for that DDT, but he got caught by Calvin Tankman.
Just lifts him with ease.
Oh, sends him to the mat. 1, 2, and Monix at the last possible moment breaks up the cover.
Project Monix in the ring, staring down Calvin Tankman, the current IWA Mid-South champion.
Big knee. Tankman is a big man, but every man has a chin, and Pat Monix found it with that knee strike. Oh! Look at that turnaround forearm!
The Crosstown Classic connects across the face.
Tankman rolled out to the floor. Wolf's got Monix in prime position.
Pump handle
into a knee.
Just sends Monix to the outside.
Turn Monix's lights off. Chase Oliver springboards in with that forearm. Roundhouse kick. Poison Rana spikes him. Oliver's got him up. Monix out to the floor before Oliver can cover. Smart, savvy maneuver.
Unbelievable
On the half of Wolf to get out of the ring.
Very impressed by this Chase Oliver.
And Tankman still on rubbery legs from those shots earlier. Just shoving them both off. They're doing everything they can to take him off his feet, but he doesn't go down.
Just a bunch of strikes. Tankman is reeling though now in the corner.
Oh, and Monix turned his attention to Oliver while Oliver was not expecting it. Caught him off guard. Into the buckles from Monix. Monix set over the top out to the apron. And he just got caught with that Pele.
Tankman though.
Oh, big back elbow, huge punch. Ripcord lariat drops him. Tankman is a man possessed.
He needs to turn around though.
Here comes Monix. Oh, got shoved off to the floor.
That sneaky Johnathan Wolf on the outside pushing Monix.
Wolf is a scumbag. He found the opportunity, but center of the ring, Tankman just dropped him with a pile driver. Oh, but Wolf kicked him to the floor. Wolf found the opening. 1, 2, and 3.
That's it.
That weasel Johnathan Wolf just found a spot in the finals.